Good morning everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Dear students, we are again here for yoga and physical activity session. And in this yogic session today, we will do some micro yogic practice, asana and pranayama yogic abhyas. So let's come. First, we will start our session with Gayatri mantra, Vedic mantra. Sit in meditative posture. Normally fold your legs. Keep both hands in Jnana Mudra. Back straight, eyes closed. First, normalize your breathing. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. Start Gayatri mantra together. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Rub your both palms and make a heave and place your both palms on your eyes, your face muscle, and slowly open your eyes. Look at your palm. Stand up everyone. Come to standing position. Take few normal breaths. Normalize your breathing. Today we will do micro yogic practice in standing position, head to feet, legs apart according to your shoulder. Place both hands on your waist and exhale, touch your chin to the chest. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale 2, exhale down, inhale 3, exhale down, inhale 4, exhale down, inhale 5, exhale down, inhale 6, exhale down, inhale 7, exhale down, inhale 8, exhale down, inhale 9, exhale down, inhale 10, exhale down, inhale come full to the center. And exhale, twist your head to left side, look back from left shoulder. Don't give jerk on your neck with exhalation. Inhale, come full to the center. Exhale, twist to right, look back from right shoulder. Inhale, come full to the center. Exhale, bend your head to left side. Inhale, come full to the center. Exhale, bend to right. Inhale center, exhale left, inhale center, exhale right, inhale come through to the center, exhale, bend your head, touch your chin to the chest and go for head rotation, make a complete circle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, reverse 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release, come back. And next, stretch your both hands in front and clutch your fingers. Clutch with inhale and release with exhale. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Make a fist and go for wrist rotation. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Reverse. 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Next, elbow movement. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Place both hands on your shoulder with fingers, elbows together, and go for shoulder move. 1. Bicep touching to the ear, elbows together. 2. Do properly. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Reverse. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Slowly release your hands from side. And next, legs together, feet together. Raise your left hand above the head, left bicep touching to the fingers separate, and exhale, bend to right and look up. Inhale, come straight to the center. Same with opposite hand. Raise your right hand above the head, right bicep touching to the ear, fingers separate, and exhale, bend to left and look up. Come back, slowly come back. And next, legs apart according to your shoulder. Place both hands on your waist and go for hip rotation. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Reverse. 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Slowly release, come back. And next, Kati Chakra Asana. Inhale, raise the arms in line with the shoulder, and exhale, twist to left side. And place your right hand on your left shoulder, your left hand behind your back, and twine the waist, and bring your left hand fingers closer to your navel. And look back from left shoulder with exhalation and hold for 5 count. 1 2 3 4 5. Inhale, come straight to the side. Exhale, twist to right side. Place your left hand on your right shoulder and your right hand behind your back and twine the waist. And look back from right shoulder with exhalation and hold here for 5 count. 1 2 3 4 5. And slowly release, come back and release. And next, legs together, feet together, and bend your knees and place both palms on your kneecaps like this. And go for knee movement. 1 2 3 4 5, reverse, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release and relax. Take few normal breaths, normalize your breathing. And next we will do Tadasana. Stand like erect, legs together, feet together, and look straight. Raise the arms from side, interlock your fingers, palm turn upward, and inhale, stretch up, stand with your toes, heels off the ground, your whole body weight on your toes. Stretch up, your bicep touching to the air. Stand with your toes and hold. And hold here for 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, slowly release your hands from side and relax. And next we will do Trikona Asana. Inhale, jump, spread your legs, 2.5 to 3 feet gap in between your legs, and raise the arms in line with the shoulder and turn your left feet to left side, 90-degree outward, and exhale, bend to left side as much as you can, and your right hand toward the sky, and touch your left leg big toe with your hands finger, and your right hand toward the sky, and look at your right hand fingers, and hold Trikona Asana. Hold here for 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, come back, slowly come back and release. And same with your right leg. Turn your right feet outside, 90-degree outward, and your left feet 45-degree inward. And again, raise the arms in line with the shoulder and exhale, bend to right side from bilateral side, bend to right side, and touch your right leg big toe with your right hand's fingers, and your left hand toward the sky, and your left hand straight, and look at your left hand fingers, and hold here 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, come back, slowly come back and release the asana. Take few normal breaths, normalize your breathing. Sit on the mat, come to sitting position. Sit on Vajrasana. Extend the legs in front and go for next. Toes together, feet together. Go for butterfly. Swing your legs up and down. Next, lay down on your back, take left turn. We will do Uttana Padasana. Lift your both legs in 30-degree. Lift up. Flex your toes. And hold here for 30 seconds. Tantrasana. Bend your both knees and both heels closer to your buttocks and catch your right heel with your right hand, catch your left heel with your left hand. And go for Tantrasana. Inhale, lift your middle part of the body, lift up as much as you can lift up. Your whole body weight on your shoulder and your feet. Your middle part of the body lift up. Your waist region, your chest region, your thighs, your buttocks should off the ground. And hold here 10 to 15 seconds. Exhale, slowly release. Release the legs. Next, we will do Pavanamuktasana. First, with your right leg, bend your right leg, heel closer to buttock, your right heel closer to buttock, and catch your right kneecap with your both hands, with interlock your fingers, and inhale, press your right thigh into the chest with inhale, and exhale, lift your head up and touch your nose to your right knee and hold here 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale, slowly. Same with opposite leg. Bend your left leg closer to the buttock. Catch your left kneecap and press into the chest. With inhale and exhale, head up and touch your nose to your left knee. And hold 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale, slowly. With both legs, bend your both legs, heels closer to buttocks. Catch your knees with your hands and inhale, press into the chest and exhale, touch your nose to your knees and hold 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale slowly, and relax. Take left turn. Sit on the mat. Sit any meditative posture. Both hands in Jnana Mudra. Eyes closed. First, normalize your breathing. Next, we will do प्राणायाम यौगिक अभ्यास। प्राणायामों का अभ्यास किसी भी ध्यानात्मक आसन की स्थिति में बैठे, सरल आसन की स्थिति में बैठे, दोनों हाथों की ज्ञान मुद्रा, कंधे, कमर व सीधी। नॉर्मलाइज योर ब्रीथिंग्स, श्वासों का प्रवाह सामान्य। फर्स्ट प्राणायाम का अभ्यास भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम। हम इस अभ्यास को 3 गतियों से करेंगे। प्रथम सरल गति से, द्वितीय में मध्यम गति से, तृतीय में तीव्र गति का अभ्यास। कमर गर्दन सीधी। फर्स्ट सरल गति से। Inhale and exhale. यहीं से मध्यम गति का अभ्यास रिलैक्स, सामान्य श्वास। यहीं से तीव्र गति का अभ्यास। दोनों हाथों से घुटनों पर इस प्रकार रखें, दोनों हथेलियों को, और हाथों के सपोर्ट से इस अभ्यास को तीव्र गति का अभ्यास करेंगे भस्त्रिका का। कुछ विशेष बातों का ध्यान रखें अभ्यास तीव्र गति से करने से पूर्व। हाई ब्लड प्रेशर और भी कार्डियक से संबंधित रोगी हैं, वे इस अभ्यास को तीव्र गति से ना करें, वे सरल गति से इस अभ्यास को कर सकते हैं, वह भी सावधानी। चलिए प्रारंभ करें तीव्र गति का अभ्यास। रिलैक्स, सामान्य श्वास प्रश्वास। कुछ देर मौन रहे, श्वासों का प्रवाह समान। यहीं से अगला अभ्यास कपालभाति प्राणायाम का होगा। स्टोक के माध्यम से स्टमक को अंदर की ओर धक्का देना है और मेरुदंड के समीप ले जाने का प्रयत्न करना है। पूर्ण अभ्यास आपके रेचक क्रिया और पेट के अंदर धक्का देने के साथ होगी।
तो इस बात का विशेष ध्यान रखें कि आपका स्टमक भी अंदर जाएगा, साथ में आपको एक फोर्सफुली एक्सेल भी करना है स्टमक अंदर, और लंग की हेल्प से आपको पूरा धक्का देके श्वास बाहर निकालना। चलिए प्रारंभ करें। फर्स्ट 20 एंड 30 एंड 40 के स्ट्रोक्स। Relax. Normalize your breathing. Next, Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Make Pranav Mudra with your right hand and close your right nostril with your thumb and inhale from left. And exhale to right. Inhale again from right and exhale to left. It's complete one cycle. एक चक्र पूर्ण। इसी प्रकार आपको 5 चक्रों का अभ्यास और चलिए प्रारंभ करें। रिलैक्स। टेंशन, हाइपरटेंशन, एंजाइटी, अनिद्रा, मानसिक चेतना को बढ़ाने वाला, स्मरण शक्ति को बढ़ाने वाला अभ्यास अनुलोम विलोम, रक्त शुद्धि के लिए बहुत ही उत्तम अभ्यास, ईएनटी केयर का अभ्यास। इसको अपने दैनिक दिनचर्या में सम्मिलित करें। नेक्स्ट, भ्रामरिक उद्गीत का अभ्यास। हाथों की षटमुखनी मुद्रा बनाएं, अंगूठे से कानों के पटलों को बंद करें। पहली उंगली आपके आईब्रो के ऊपर, दूसरी आईबॉल के ऊपर, तीसरी अपर लिप्स के ऊपर और लास्ट और छोटी उंगली आपके लोअर लिप्स के नीचे। श्वास भरें और मौ का उच्चारण करना है। होठों को आपस में मिलाए रखें, दांतों को आपस में ना मिलाएं, जीवा को दांतों से पीछे रखें, दांतों में ना मिलाएं। 3 बार इस अभ्यास को करें और वापस आँख बंद कर ध्यान। कुछ देर मौन ही रहे। यहीं से ओमकार का प्रणव उच्चारण होगा। औ ऊम का अकार मकार उकार नाभि और कंठ से प्रारंभ करें, नाभि से और कंठ प्रदेश की ओर ले जाएं। औ ऊम का उच्चारण। ओंकार से उत्पन्न उस दिव्य ऊर्जा को अपने अंतर मन में आत्मसात करें। अनुभव करें कि आपका अंतःकरण शुद्ध हो रहा है और आसपास का वातावरण भी ऊर्जान्वित और शुद्ध हो रहा है। इसी मनोभाव से दोनों हथेलियों का आपस में मिला और तेजी से रखो। हाथों में उत्पन्न उष्मा ऊर्जा को आंखों पर चेहरे पर और तेज तनाव को आंखों को खोलते हुए मत। नमस्कारम। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।